Hello and welcome to my channel, and we'll be discussing parts of a circle today. So let's just look at the first figure that I've drawn for you on the board. It is a circle with a straight line going through the circle, which is actually dividing the circle into two equal parts. This line happens to be the diameter, which could be a straight line running from one end of the circle to the other, and it's going to always divide the circle into two equal halves. I could just be drawing a line from this point to this point, and it should still qualify to be a diameter, or from any other point to any other end point onto the circle, and it would just be the diameter of a circle. All right. For the next, if I have a line which is going not through the center of the circle but from one point to the other, joining two points together, that line would be called a chord. Likewise, a line which is going from the exact center of the circle and is going to any end of the circle or touching any of the corners. Actually, a circle does not have any corners, but any of the circular line outside which marks the boundary of the circle would be called the radius. The property of the radius is that it's going to be equal sign from the center of the circle to any point that you will stretch it to. So the length of this line would always stay the same. And now, having told you all those properties of a circle, let me quickly show you and tell you that the way to find out the area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. What is the pi? Pi is a special unit that we use to measure um different aspects of a circle, and it is given as 22 over 7 as a fixed value. And now let me show you a question so that we may solve and get a grip over this concept. So we have a circle which has a radius of 7, and they're asking us to find out the area of this. I know that the formula to finding out the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. I know that the radius is supposed to be 22 over 7, and the radius was 7 itself, which is squared, and 22 times 49 is being divided by 7. So 7 times 1 and 7 times 7. So I get 154 centimeter square as my answer, and I hope this concept is clear for you.